Hey guys, this is Don at Redline Garage. Coming back to you with another Fanhome Knight Rider kit build. Last time we left off with the hood. I'm going to have to polish this. Let me grab a microfiber cloth. Alright, wipe that down. And today I thought, well, let's take a look at this book and take a little more in-depth look at this. An amazing car that everyone would love to have. A stylish hero and some thrilling adventures. Although decades have passed since its fourth and final season ended, the reruns of Knight Rider and above all its fans have kept alive the memory of this series that perfectly captured the spirit of the 80s. The duo of Michael Knight and KITT is fantastic. His fantastic talking car saw thousands of viewers glued to their television screens. The series featured a small but charismatic main cast led by the handsome Michael Knight and KITT. Now you have the opportunity to have this legendary car in your own home. Step by step, enjoy building this exact replica of the fabulous KITT from the unforgettable series, Knight Rider. Fulfill the dream and show off your own KITT in 1/8 scale. This nostalgic gem will be appreciated by lovers of the 80s series and model and motoring fans everywhere. Alright. So in this one, we're going to be working on the nose piece. And a couple of things maybe you're not aware of. And, you know, I wasn't that observant as a young child when I watched the series originally. The first season, KITT had 3 fog lights in each side. And in the second season and onward, there were 2 on each side. I'm going to go ahead and get this out off camera. It looks like there's 3. And then it looks like part of the light panel. So let me go ahead and get this stuff out and get ready for what we're going to do in this one. Alright, so it looks like in this one, we're going to be assembling 3 of the fog lights, attaching them to the nose piece, and attaching the red light and this panel behind. One thing that I did notice, and I did not mention in the first video, is, so if it has a P for the screws, this is A, and the P, that means the P goes into plastic. And if they have an M, they go into metal. Okay. So to start with, we have this piece here, and it looks like it's going to go this way with one of these AM screws. Okay, so thankfully for this magnetic screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and get that screw on there. And I'm going to go ahead and it almost seems like I need some kind of tweezers to get this down in where it goes. Let's see what I have here that I can use. Alright. So, I just want to say thank you guys. Today, for the first time ever, my subscriber count reached 650 subscribers. And I don't think that's going to work. But so that's kind of awesome. Let me see if I can get this in the light here. All right, there we go. Okay, so there's the first step done. The second step, it looks like we're going to take one of these and it's going to go this way. And we're going to put that in there. So 1, 2, 3. All right. And then we got those there. And then there's this. And I think these are going to go this way. All right. And we have to use the AP screws. All right. Get these opened up. 2, 4. All right. That is definitely not how we want to handle any part of this, by dropping it on the floor. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do the other two off camera and we'll be back. Alright, so we got all 3 of these assembled. Light housings with the lights and everything. And if you notice, there's a hole in the back. So at some point in this build, we're going to be putting lights in those, and that's going to be super awesome. All right, let's move on to the next step. That was step 3, putting all 3 of those together. And we're going to go on to step 4 and step 5. And so it looks like we take this, and then in the opposite corners, we're going to use the AM screw. And that was the first ones we used. So let me get these screws ready here, just like that. And let's see. I love this magnetic screwdriver. Now, I think we're going to go ahead and use these tweezers to position it. Okay, so we have all 3 of those in, and there they are. Oh, this is going to be good. All right. So, on the next part, we take this for the light bar. That is step 6, just simply putting it on there. And then we're going to take this piece, and it looks like it goes right behind with 2 of these GM screws. Let me get these extra screws out of the way. Put them in the box in case we ever need some more. Alright, we're going to need 2 of these. There we go. So what did you guys think about that move that Ross Chastain did at Martinsville this past weekend? And I am dropping stuff. You know, you never think about that. I mean, I've played video games and racing games in the past and everything. And you always, you know, try to do the wall move in the video games because why not, right? I mean, it's just a video game. But to actually do that in real life and have it work, I mean, that is astounding. You live your whole life and never think you'll ever see a moment like that, right? And then it happens. All right. I'm not going to tighten that one all the way down just yet. I want to get this second one started. All right. There it is. And now if we put this together with the hood, not exactly sure, probably about like that. And there you go. Almost have the face of KITT. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like this. If you do, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of this. Click that like button and ring the bell for notifications. If you're not subscribed, that'd be great if you could do that. Like I said, 650 subscribers. That's pretty good. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Until next time, this is Don at Redline Garage.